This piece is called Cuairt Mhamó agus Dhaideo. Every time you hear a pause, repeat the sentence you've just after hearing.
Cuairt Mhamó agus Dhaideo.
Dhaideo go bhí ann. Bhí an chlann ar fad ag teach Mhamó agus Dhaideo don lá. Téigí isteach chuig an seomra site. Tá uimhithe seachloide ann de gach duine. A dúirt Mhamó. Chuaigh na páistí isteach. Bhí Aíonna an domhan orthu. Bhí an seomra site lán le gach sais uimhithe.
Ceistena. Ceiste héan. Cén lá a bhí ann. Ceiste dó. Cá raibh an chlann. Ceiste trí. Céir a dúirt Mhamó. Ceiste ceathair. An raibh Aíonna an domhan orthu. Ceiste cúig. Cad a bhí sa seomra site.
Okay, Cuairt Mhamó agus Dhaideo is a visit. Cuairt is a visit to Mhamó, which is grandmother. It's like an old mommy. Agus Dhaideo, grandfather. The O making it old. So old mommy and old daddy. So it was Dhaideo go bhí ann. Dhaideo is Sunday. It was Sunday. A bhí ann, it was. Bhí an clan. Bhí is the verb was. So bhí an clan. The clan was. The family was. Fad, the whole family was. Ag teach Mhamó agus Dhaideo. They were in grandmother's and grandfather's teach. They were in their house. Done law, for the day. Téigí isteach chuig an seomra site. So téigí is in order. Go isteach, go into the seomra site, into the sitting room. Tá uimhithe seachloide. There are chocolate eggs there, ann is there, de gach duine, for every person. A dúirt Mhamó. Dúirt is the verb said, dúirt Mhamó, said the grandmother. Chuaigh na páistí isteach. Chuaigh means went. Who went? Chuaigh na páistí. The children went. Isteach, they went in. Bhí Aíonna an domhan orthu. So bhí is the verb was. Aíonna an domhan means they were really surprised. So really means Aíonna is wonder. An domhan is the world. So the wonder of the world was orthu, was on them. So they were really surprised when they saw all the eggs. Bhí an seomra site lán le gach sais uimhithe. Bhí again means was. An seomra site, the sitting room. So the sitting room was. Lán means full. Le gach sais, of every sort of egg. Now let's have a look at the questions. So make sure to put your title up the top and your page Lehanach Uchtó Shocked, page 87. Ceiste héan, cén lá a bhí ann? What day was it? Dhaideo a bhí ann. It was Sunday. Ceiste dó, cá raibh an clan. Where were the clan? Where were the family? You start off with bhí an clan, the family were. The whole family were. Bhí an clan ar fad. Ag teach Mhamó agus Dhaideo done law. They were in grandmothers and grandfathers done law for the day. Ceiste 3. Céir a dúirt Mhamó. So what did Mhamó say? You start off with the verb dúirt, which is said. So dúirt Mhamó. Téigí isteach chuig an seomra site. Tá uimhithe seachloide ann de gach duine. So that's what Mummy said. Ceist a ceathair. Question 4. An raibh Aíonna an domhan orthu. So that means were they surprised? Was the wonder of the world on them? And there's two answers to that. You can either say bhí or ní raibh, because they're the answers to the question an raibh. Of course, the answer is bhí Aíonna an domhan orthu. They were really surprised. And ceiste cúig, cá de bhí sa seomra site, What was in the sitting room? Bhí an seomar sitre. The sitting room was lán le gach sais ivica. It was full with every type of egg.